Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am certainly glad to be back, and today we're going to talk about the SW-Motech Drybag 80, as promised in one of the last videos. And I currently have one here, but before I start, just a small, transparency note. Everything is bought by myself. Nothing is sponsored. I use them around like 4 years, for 4 years now, but yeah, of course not on a daily basis. But I like the company, so, but yeah, not sponsored, so I say whatever it is. It's my experience with the bags, so yeah, just, before I start. So let's talk about the SW-Motech Drybag 80. So 80 means like 8 liters capacity. They're €60. On the normal website. I think you can get them cheaper. I currently have one installed like in front of my guards. I could have installed like on a different location where my engine guard is here as well. You can also install them where my tank bag is, where my top case currently is, even on top of the top case, even on on your side bags if you have any or so on. There's plenty of opportunities to use those, and I have a second one here. So this is a normal empty one. You have all the straps installed. Then you have one, one shoulder strap. You can just strap it around your shoulder and carry it around, and 2 extra fitting straps. Where are those? Here and here, to tighten them to your bike if you have like more, if you need more or different angles. So this is basically the bag, 8 liters, fully waterproof, of course, very sturdy. When it's open like this, it's approximately like 60 centimeters when it's open. Of course, it will slim down towards the bottom, and then they advise to roll it like 3 times. You just roll it, and then you connect the sides. Obviously, it's not rocket science. Again. Put it on the sides, and then it is waterproof. You can also roll it like once or twice, but then water can get in. But if depending on what you have in there, it may not matter if it's fully dry or not. So, but yeah, that's I don't know. There's nothing more to say. Like, they have all the extra rubber here to tighten the straps. There's no reflective material as far as I can see. So if you have like then in the front, there's no extra reflection for cars to see it. They're pretty straightforward. I use them when I use them in the front. I only put in stuff that can be crushed, like like underwear or t-shirts and stuff like this. In this case here, I can probably open it. I think I have a pillow in there. You open it and open it. No, it's my memory foam pillow. Fits in there nice and still accessible and everything. So you can just close it, roll it, and like put it in, close it, roll it, or like roll it and then close it, and then close it on top as well. And then everything is secure. So like a small sleeping bag can fit in there as well. But that's basically it. You can even put them here. It will look a bit larger, but then you roll it. But it's a good alternative. You can put it on your top case, like sideways, if you want to. You can even put it like sideways on your if you have any bags or panniers, or even a front or back if they're opened. So or even here, they fit in pretty nicely here as well. And there's plenty of stuff to do and to use them. And for $60, I don't think they're super expensive. I think that's a good price for what you get. They're sturdy. They're fully waterproof. Dirt resistant. I would have wished maybe some reflective stripes on the side. That would have been nice. And maybe a different color, because they only come in this gray and black. It's a universal color, I get it, but for the for the large dry bags, they have like a bright yellow and so on. So maybe there would have been an opportunity to match those sets as well. But yeah, like the small details, as I said, the rubber thingy to tighten the straps or to have it more cleaner so the straps are not flapping around. It's pretty cool. But then there's nothing else to it, you know. As I said, shoulder strap to carry it around, because there's no way when you leave it on the bike overnight, you know, people can just easily remove everything and or even open the bags and steal stuff. So there's no way to protect the stuff that's inside you, inside of those bags. So you need to be very careful where you leave your bike, where you leave the bikes on. And if you, for example, if you go for a small hike and you have like 8 liters capacity, 8 liters means roughly 3 kilo. That's what they recommend. That's not too bad to carry around when you go on a small hike or go exploring in the woods. You know, but it's just something for you to consider. It's always something for you, also for me to consider, you know, when I have stuff like this. Even with my tank bag, there's no way to close it, no way to actually, you know, secure it. But yeah, that's already it with the SW-Motech Drybag 80 for 60 euros. It's a pretty good bag. I used it a lot during my Sweden and Finland and North Cape trip. I use it from time to time when I go camping as well, to have like easy and accessible stuff that can be squeezed, that can be squashed in case the bike falls on the left or right. So you don't want to have like camera equipment in there, because you never know. But yeah, that's already it. Thank you very much. I wish you a fantastic day. Take care of yourself, take care of friends and family, and talk to you next one. Bye bye, ciao.